Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at your Cash App zip code. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you have not already. So if you do not already have it installed, what you want to do is go to the App Store and download it. So open up your App Store on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and search for Cash App. Find the application, install it for yourself, and once you have it installed on your mobile phone, now we can get started opening it up. So once you open up, you can go ahead and log in either with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you have logged in, now we can get started. So you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is our home page, where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings options, and all the other settings that we have. So what we can do guys now to get started to take a look at our zip code is right here. Look at the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the screen, you can take a look at the sections tab where you can find all the sections that you can access. Currently, we are in the home page, and next to the home page is the card icon. You want to click on that card icon right here at the bottom of the page. That's going to enable you to open up your card settings that you can take a look at right here. So this is how it's going to look. This is going to be your cash card in Cash App, and as you can see, guys, this is now where we can take a look at all the info in our card. So if you tap on your card, it's going to give you all the settings options that you have right here. As you can see, one of the options is going to be called Show Cash Card Info. So if you click on Show Cash Card Info, guys, this is not going to give you the info of your cash card info, and now you can take a look at the zip code that is being used for your cash card. Basically, your zip code is the same zip code that is being used as a billing address. So if you know your billing address, that is going to be your zip code, and that's how you can find it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.